This is just a little quickie update on the rocket stove, the Mark III. Cleaned the chimney out, first time in a long time, but give it all a good clean. Clean the little door down the bottom there, which makes it nice and easy. Just pull the slider out, nice and clean, and everything's nice and clean. This is just a quickie, so to show you where it's burning, the actual slot is fully open, and then what I did, so that I keep a nice clean glass door, at the top of that door, you can't quite see it, but there is approximately a 3mm gap. Seems to work quite well, and as you can see, it's burning quite nice. There we are. You can see how that's percolating. That's good. And that's got a 3mm door gap at the top of the door, allowing the air in. Keeps the piece of glass absolutely clean. It's running at 350 degrees centigrade on the temperature of the tube, which is adequate for me, and the rads are red hot, so I don't want it any hotter than that. This is Dave signing off. Don't forget the bits at the bottom, thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll catch you all on the flip side. Thanks for watching. Buzzy buzz. Whoosh, we're gone.